Someday we will be doing some lifting, some confined space, some hot works. So for each activity at project, we need a permit. We will be checking everything one by one. So this is actually what is expected from us. Complete toolbox talks along the month relative to work authorization. This we are in a complete and active engagement activity. This is very important actually. Use one suggested previous next slides. It will be coming that what we need to do with workers. We actually want to involve all teams, supervisors, engineers, ground workforce, to make them realize that what is this whole process. As yesterday we went to everybody, we brought them, we wanted to know that either they know the location of their work permit, where to access, where is PTW box, and what are the controls identified, different steps, what is pre-task briefing. This all we involve them, and in coming week we will also be doing the same. He is system owner, so any activity we have to start, we need his permission. Without his permission, we cannot start. Although I am reviewing, Asim Shah is reviewing, Sanaullah is requesting, but the final approving authority is always the system owner. Either it is turbine or it is generator. So this is our HRO permit. Now it clears here in very detail. All tasks at projects and services sites are considered as non-routine. A permit is not required when work is routine, all steps are familiar to the site. He has cleared here that if the routine activities will be performed, there is no need of permit. But we are saying that all tasks at projects and services sites are considered as non-routine. Number two, a permit is required for each task which includes one or more high-risk operations. Now here on our permit there is a detail of all high-risk operations. Work at height, confined space, hot works, lifting operations, hazardous substance, pressurized equipment. So any of them we will take, then we had to consider all risks and hazards associated with that. Actionable points again for PTW, no work plan or risk assessment. If risk assessment is not completed, do not start. No permit where required, do not start. No authorization or controls in place, do not start. Distracted, not in the right headspace, do not start. So these are our four non-negotiable points for non-starting of work. Then second toolbox talk is again we have gone through. Work authorization is completed. This is important. Pre-task briefing, for example. So as we discussed yesterday, immediate supervisor in the morning, he will be completing pre-task briefing.
You are also authorized to stop the works.
Yes, we already explained. If you see something is wrong, so you can stop the work and come to us.
Exactly.
We will solve the problem.
This we have to, this HRO permit we have to explain to them.
Yes.
For example, if they work in this house, we should 5 people. We should tell these 5 people. If you see, if you concern, if you have any topic, this is not safe. Just stop the work and come to us.
Pre-task briefing, I already informed you.
Document control system is working on the translation of PTW in different languages. Like we had already Turkish translation available, Portuguese, French. So on Urdu they are also working. But meanwhile, Asim Shah, what we can do our own translation as we did for, in all GE in Pakistan. Mangla was the first site who translated all life saving rules in Urdu. And then from here we sent to even O&M, we sent to Power, and we sent to another site, Varsak as well. So this is very good suggestion.